let's take a look at the accessories for the Imaje X45 T6 machine. This here is the coding machine, and this is the controller. This is the RO cable. The RO cable is for input and output, and this is the printer's power and signal cable. This is the main power cable. This is the cleaning cloth used for cleaning and spraying. Pressure gauge, test divider, controller bracket, controller, and below is the manual. Over here, these are all the factory documents for the year. It's very easy, that's right. Our controller has interfaces here. Let me explain. This one, the printer power and signal cable interface, is for this cable right here. This one. As for the wireless interface, it's for this wireless card. This is the RS-232 interface, USB to USB, and what about the E interface? This is a USB-A type interface, and this is the Ethernet port, which is the network port. This is also a USB port, a USB-B port, like the one used for printers. This is the power switch. This interface here is also for the printer's power and signal connection. The sync interface, and the private server air interface. This is the air interface, where our air tube is inserted. This is where our air tube goes. This is our color unit. We all use color cartridges. This is a brief introduction to the main accessories. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the password for the X45 TO machine. Here's a simple assembly process. First, let's assemble it. This is the printer's power cable and core signal cable. Over here. Plug it into the printer. Then the other end. Check the connection here. This is our RO cable. Be careful, plug it in here. Okay, now our power cable. Look, actually it should be plugged in here as well. This cable, these three cables, oh dear. Alright. Next, we will carefully install the pressure gauge. Each end. Almost actually just went in there. We also need to connect compressed air here. Just plug the compressed air directly into this port. This will provide the air supply for our machine. And here is the bracket for our controller. The bracket for the air is ready. This is very simple. Over here. Alright, this is us. The basic connections, the basic assembly is just like this. And also our ribbon, every time we install it, first we put the material together all at once. Rotate counterclockwise. After taking the material out, our machine is for left-handed operation, so we need to wind the ribbon according to the left-handed method. If it's for right-handed operation, we wind it this way. This red part is the material reel. This is for installing our ribbon, the ribbon feeder. This is for feeding the material, and this is the plastic reel, which is for recycling. Let's take a look and install it. Since we're using the left-handed machine, we'll install the ribbon according to the left-handed method. The diagram shows left-handed operation. I'm winding it in the left-handed way. I'll release a bit of material. Okay, we just rotate and insert it here, and that's it. For the left-handed machine, we install it according to the diagram for the left-handed machine, just like this. If it's a right-handed machine, then we follow the right-handed instructions. Install both at the same time. Oh, this is the collar stick. After we've installed the collar stick, insert it into the machine and wait a moment. Okay, we've basically completed the setup. Now, I need to explain about our AO line. The AO line actually has two lines, line 1 and line 2. Each line is labeled with labels 1 and 2. Right here.
Wait a moment.
Line 2.
Hold on for just a moment, please. Let me quickly find something quite suitable for you. These two. 1 and 2. Close the circuit. Closing circuit 2 sends the signal.
This time, for our 45 machine, that's the basic assembly.